Welcome back to my channel TechGetter. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide any folder on your Windows PC without using any software. Firstly, we create a folder. Right-click on your desktop, then click on New and select Folder. Now rename it to anything, for example, Hide Me. Once your folder is ready, right-click on it again and select Properties. In the Properties window, you'll see an option called Hidden. Tick that box. Then click on Apply, and finally click OK. Now, look at your desktop. The folder has completely disappeared. So, how do we bring it back? Open File Explorer and click on the File option at the top. Now select Change Folder and Search Options. In the new window, click on the View tab and then choose the option that says Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Click OK and close the window. You'll now see the folder that you hid earlier appear again on your screen. And that's it. That's how easily you can hide and unhide folders in Windows without using any software. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.